In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to access and play all of the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm games and how to compare the titles available in each platform. So, as you can see, I'm currently on the website for Naruto Boruto Ultimate Ninja Storms connections, and in here you will be able to see all of the platforms in which the game is available. So new gen PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S, Nintendo Switch, PC, and then old gen consoles, PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. And of course you can go ahead and browse through a lot of screenshots, videos, and gameplay of this. Now, if you would like to play any Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm game, all that you have to do is go over to the respective platform where you want to play it. So for example, if you are playing on PC, you will be able to find most titles available on Steam. So they have the main ones: Ultimate Ninja Storm 4, Shinobi Striker, Connections, the first one, Road to Boruto expansion, and so on. There are a lot of downloadable expansions here, so as you can see, a lot of DLC, and as long as you choose any of the titles here, you will be able to see the reviews, you will be able to purchase the game in your own local currency, you can get the bundle that includes every single title available, you can get the expansion packs and additional content, and of course you can see reviews about the game at the bottom. You will see the requirements, and of course you can absolutely do the same on any console. So if you go over to the PlayStation Store, for example, you will be able to find all of the Naruto games that are available in here as well. You just have to choose from any of these, and you will be able to purchase it in your own local currency to start playing right away. They often go on sale. For example, Ultimate Ninja Storm 4 is on sale at the moment, and like I said, as soon as you purchase them on any digital storefront, you will be able to have access to all of its content. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.